Kicking sip. I'm at the gas station. Full to the brim. Hey guys, Wagwan, what's poppin'? It's your girl Lena Martin here, and I'm having a cake and sip. I have a company called Treat Yourself, and we do treats and stuff. And I started cake and sip, where you come with your friends, partner, whomever, and you come and learn how to decorate cakes or cupcakes. And so I'm gonna follow you guys. Well, I'm not gonna follow you guys. Y'all are gonna follow me, figuratively, and actually, like, subscribe. Thanks. So yeah, we're on our way. Okay, so here's where I'll be standing. Here's how everything is set up right now. Why they gotta check the sound when I'm doing something? Here's how everything is set up right now. Nice and Christmas vibes. My name is Paulina. My friends call me Lena. I'm the owner of Treat Yourself. Thank you so much for coming. I really and truly appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Alright, so in front of you, you have 6 cupcakes. You have your green icing. You have a little small hand sanitizer for Bath and Body. And you have those forms to help decorating. If you haven't already, please put on your gloves. Work with the icing. After a while, it gets really sticky and it's annoying. So this is just saying how to work your icing. So if it is a little bit cold still, you just want to take it and kind of use your hand and just massage it a little bit. If it's not, nothing to really worry about. You're good. So we're gonna get right into piping. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna practice on this one time. Then if you feel like you want to, honestly no, we're gonna do 2 times. So practice these 2 times, and then if you wanna practice again, by all means, do it, and you can go straight into cupcakes. If not, you can just jump into doing your cupcakes. While you're decorating, don't forget that you have this. So you're allowed to use this whenever you want for the design that you have in your mind, or if something you feel like it's not working, check out this and practice on this. Is there anybody that is uncomfortable with being on camera or posted on social media? Thank you. Alright, that's fair. That's perfectly fair. I just want to know from now so that when I take pictures, I just know that, okay, I'm going to use your hands or whatever it is. Remember that this is for fun. It's not a competition. There is no race. This is for fun. Memories, okay? Alright. So, I'll find you already have the fun thing. So to start, we're going to cut off a small part, like a little teeny tiny, like this much off of the Okay, so we're going to pass the scissors around, and we're going to make a bigger hole now, and we're just going to practice again. And once you're comfortable with that, if you're comfortable now, up to you, we can go to cupcakes. so this is the aftermath of our cake and sip. It's empty. Everything is just about gone. Alright, this is the front attack bar. I didn't get to catch it earlier. Hey guys, so I finally got back home. I'm so tired. I tried my best. I tried my best to get as much footage as possible. But it was so good. I had a good time. Everyone had a good time with the cake and sip. It was good. Let me tell y'all a story. So I was late today, so I was rushing to carry in all the things that I need to carry in, and the last thing I carried in was the balloons. So I carried in the balloons because I made that at home, and I started unpacking everything, fixing the table, all that stuff. I forgot that I didn't park my car. My car was outside for 2 hours, 2, unlocked and running with AC. Moral of the story, don't be late to things. So when you're late, you don't remember other things. And yeah. Like gas is free or something. Girl. But I had a good evening. So catch us again. You could like, subscribe, comment, all the fancy things. Until next time.